this section, we're going to show you how to take our information from our design packet and put it into Rhino. For example, here is my design packet, my last drawing on my design packet. And this is what we're going to wind up with. So, to start off, we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw our boundary rectangle. We know our tower sides have a width and a height to them, so we're going to go ahead and come up to the curve menu and go down to rectangle and 3 points. This is a new one. We haven't used 3 points before, but it's very simplistic. So you're going to type in 0 for the origin, and then we're going to type in our height of our tower, which is 5.75. We're using the shift key to point ortho straight up. And we're going to go ahead and type in our width as well, 2.75. All right, and there are our boundaries for our tower, so that's the size of our tower. From here on out, it's going to be a different experience for everyone depending on how complex or how simplistic their drawings are. Again, mine was pretty simplistic, so I'll be able to use some of my OSnap drawing tools and basic line commands to draw it without too much problem. If you have a much more complex design, I call it the draw by square or the paint by numbers type of drawing. So you're going to use the grids on your design packet and match them up with the grids here, and you're going to make sure grid snap is on. So that way, if you have a line starting the third block up, we can count 1, 2, 3 blocks, click our mouse, and then find wherever it goes on the opposite side, click the mouse again, and there's that line. All right. For me, everything is based on the center of the lines or the midpoints of the line. So I'm going to come up here to curve. I'm going to choose a single line. And my first line I'm going to draw is the one that goes across. So I have midpoint on, so that will automatically select the midpoint of the line once my mouse cursor gets close to it. And I get to do the same thing on the opposite side. And I'm going to continue just repeating that command. And I also have the end command on OSnap, so when I get to an intersection or end of a line, I can click my mouse there and it's going to be attached to all the other lines in that area. So that way I don't have any gaps, I don't miss anything, I don't even have to zoom in, I can go pretty fast, and I know the drawing aids will help me get my lines where they're supposed to be. So there is my completed design.